What's up, Money King? That's a new vlog. The video is about my dog. We're gonna look at my dog for the whole video. So we're gonna do like, he's so cute, guys. Yeah, her name is Secret, so just watch this Family Guy. You can go, guys. Who's sad? Come, guys, comment below if you're sad about the last 2 days of break. I'm gonna get. This concludes the video. I'll be in my nice last 2 days of break. If you're younger than me who loves this channel, subscribe, like, subscribe, comment. Peace.